warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Quick Step practice routine number 7. Yes, we really have been doing quite a lot of the routines here. So if you want to see the full class, there's a 90-minute class where we do quick step and rumba, 45 minutes of each. It is Monday the 8th of August 22. That is in my video library on livetodance.eu. If you're watching this on YouTube, then these are just short summaries without music, so I don't get in trouble with the copyright with YouTube. So do head over to the website if you'd like to see the full classes in more detail. But here is just a short summary, and this will help you practice. And don't forget, I have 1 or 2 steps in here that are adjusted for the living room and for solo dancing. So for the space and dancing on our own, they're not always true to the exact step you would do with your partner in the ballroom. I will, however, explain that. And the first one is this: back, side, close, side, and forwards. Now we would normally head on the same way, okay, so that would have been a progressive chassis for the lady. We're actually going to go back, side, close, side, lock step here. So staying on the balls of the feet to do the lock step. So let's go ahead again. Slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm going to do 3 chassis with rotation so that I head over and look to the other wall. So I'm going to give you 2 options: chassis on the left, chassis on the right, chassis on the left, with 1.5 rotations. Or if you don't like as much turning, especially in the living room small spaces, chassis, chassis, chassis. Keep it facing forwards. Just do a little look over your shoulder and then head on to that wall. So I leave the amount of rotation up to you, but it's 3 bars of quick, quick, slow. Now, once we get over there, once we forgot what we're going to do, once we get over here, we're going to come back. So we're going to take slow, quick, quick. Okay, it's a little bit like a quick open reverse, all right, but adapted for where we are in the living room. So I get over here on that last chassis, and then slow, quick, quick to get over to the other side. Now we're going to do 2 pivots. This is actually a natural pivot. It is actually normally the leader's step going back on the left and the follower's step going forwards on the right. So individually, this is the leader's step and then followed by the follower's step. So we've just combined the 2. We wouldn't normally do one after the other in the ballroom with a partner. Okay, so I go back and pivot, which is the leader's step, and then I go forwards and pivot, which is actually the follower's step. And then we had a settlement step, as I call it, a little rock back, and again this is because of the limitations of dancing in that small space. So let's try that once more. We go slow, slow, sit back, slow. I'm then going to do what will be the follower's normal spin turn footwork, slightly underturned because of the living room. Slow, slow, and slow, and exit for the progressive chassis. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Let's do that whole section again from the pivots. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. There's actually a lot of slows in a row there because we were trying to be economical with our energy. It's a very warm week here in the UK, which is unusually warm, so we weren't going too crazy in the class, and I wanted people to focus on their balance and their core. So let's do the whole routine. I'll call the timing out. Slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. I'm actually going to dance the whole thing without slowing down at all. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. There we go, got there in the end. Thank you so much, guys. That has been Improvers Solo Quick Step practice routine number 7. And don't forget, if you're watching on YouTube, hit the little subscribe button. That would be marvellous. Thank you. And I'll see you all again very shortly. Bye-bye.